It was surprising how the tree fell right next to him, yet he remained calm in the face of the situation. Oh no, I guess this incident will cost him a considerable amount to repair the house. The Valmet 840.3 is one of the standout models in forestry tractors. With a robust and sturdy design, it performs well in challenging terrain. This versatile tractor is primarily used for harvesting and transporting timber and can work efficiently with various attachments. Thanks to its four-wheel drive system and stable design, the machine can operate on steep and difficult landscapes. Renowned for its high performance and fuel efficiency, the Valmet 840.3 helps reduce operating costs and environmental impact, which is increasingly important in the modern forestry industry. Furthermore, this product boasts high reliability, featuring an easy maintenance design and readily available replacement parts, minimizing downtime during operation. In a competitive landscape with major brands like Komatsu and Ponce, the Valmet 840.3 stands out for its superior quality and versatility, making it an ideal choice for those working in the forestry sector. The giant beast log loaders weighs about 68,083 pounds, equipped with massive steel arms that make moving large logs effortless. The arms stretch out like a surgeon's robotic hands, effortlessly lifting the enormous weight of the wood. A massive log is safely lifted onto the truck without any fuss. Now it's time to transport the logs, showcasing the incredible technique at work in the forestry industry. Witness an epic clash between nature and machinery. The powerful beast, the Model 1720 stump puller, faces off against massive tree trunks in a test of the monster's strength. It seems like a balanced match, but even at full throttle, the beast uproots stumps with ease. Stubborn roots are effortlessly torn out one after another. The stump problem is no longer an issue, making the land easily workable for the forestry industry. The forest is breathtakingly beautiful as an Ecolog 688 harvester skillfully trims logs within the woods. This massive machine moves with its engine roaring in sync with the rhythm of the wind. It just lifted that giant stump out of the ground. What a sight! The Ecolog 688 resembles a metal monster with immense power. Its sturdiness is like the jaws of a shark gripping the stump and pulling it out of the earth with just a flick. I wonder what it would feel like to drive that beast. Handling stumps is no longer a hassle. The SP8018-TRX stump grinder is here to save the day. This bad boy boasts a grinding wheel with a cutting range of 43 inches above ground, 18 inches below ground, and an 80-inch sweep. This specially designed machine and its shaft make it extremely easy to use, whether you're tackling construction or landscaping projects. This grinder is your new best friend. Get ready to save time and energy. If you appreciate simplicity and efficiency, this tool, the Stump Ripper, is your soulmate. Designed with minimalism, yet delivering maximum power, it works like a sharp claw, cutting roots and pulling stumps out of the ground. The saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," is absolutely true for the Stump Ripper. Beneath its compact appearance lies a fierce power, a truly impressive tool. The Valmet HG6800TX is a wood chipper boasting incredible output power. This beast is equipped with a massive cutting wheel fitted with tungsten carbide blades, making it easy to crush large blocks of wood into chips. The Valmet HG6800TX engine has a power of 950 horsepower and weighs 92,000 pounds. This machine is an engineering marvel, designed for optimal efficiency in its work. The Valmet 840.3 is a powerful timber transport machine, equipped with a massive steel arm designed to lift large logs onto the vehicle. Its robust engine roars as it struggles to traverse muddy roads. The rainy season turns these paths into slippery, waterlogged nightmares for timber transport drivers navigating through the forest. However, with the driver's years of experience and the machine's immense power, it easily overcomes the treacherous, swampy terrain.